Good morning. Okay, we got something from the mail today. Cap it moose jaw. I ordered a cap it moose jaw. They're the one who installed my hitch. So this is a 2-inch ball. And yeah, we got it. So we just have to attach it to our hitch. The back, it's brand new. And yeah, here, help me unbox it. Make sure there's clip in here and stickers. Take stickers off. See if it fits. Go to the back. There we go. Fits in right back. So that's our 2-inch ball receiver. What you usually do, you just put it on inside, shove it in there, perfectly fit. And then you got this little lock here, put it in this hole here. Make sure that it fits perfectly so that you can get the lock inside. And once you get the lock inside, you just put the pin right here, put it inside. There you go. All good to go. Right, so just because we don't use it and we don't want to leave it outside, we just have to take it off, take the pin off, take it out, and then take it out. Be careful, it's too heavy. So what you got to do is you just put it inside your car so that no one will steal it. There you go.